Hello, my name is Sam Bordeloof. I'm a senior consultant here at Plative, and today I'll be showing off our image capture tool for field service. I've jumped into the field service mobile application, and I'm going to be showing how you can use our image capture tool to create assets in the field and immediately record details about their repair, installation, etc. So now I'm in the mobile app, and I'm going to show you the workflow for an employee who's going out to site and trying to perform a repair on an asset that you don't yet have in your system. I'm going to click into my repair task and scroll down to see what I'm supposed to be working on. And we don't have that information recorded yet. So I'm going to go to my asset in the field, click on new asset, and take an image of the unit's nameplate. I'm going to select what type of machine it is and submit this to the AI system. As we can see, the AI has populated all of the information it can get off of the image. So we now have the serial number, the model, and the rest of the details down here. I can fill in the manufacturer manually if I need that and submit that again. And now I'm just going to back out and refresh my task. When I come back into my task, I'll now have that asset available to record my maintenance against. So now I can perform my repair, select whether it was completed, record any actions taken, and complete my task. This tool can also be used for companies that are scoping field service tasks. You can go to customer site, record a lot of information about what they have available and what you'll need to perform services on, and minimize the time spent on manual data entry.